Good afternoon. It's gone 12 o'clock, so it's the afternoon. I'm home alone. Well, this big old pile, 2 weeks worth of ironing to do. Keep me out of trouble. Surprise, surprise. The washing machine is going again. 15 minutes till he's done. That's the bedding. Gotta do your bedding. And then I'm gonna sweep and mop some floors. Oh, I probably should run the Hoover around as well. First job, Hoover. Once I've hoovered, then I will move on to other jobs. I need to sweep and mop the kitchen floor. So might as well sweep and mop all the floors at the same time. But I can't do that because this guy's out. Because we don't have a condenser. So we stick him like that and open up the old window. So yeah. Oh, chestnut. It's quite a bright, clear day. The clouds over there look a bit nasty. I don't know if you'll be able to see them in the distance. Behind me. No, not really. Don't know why I'm talking like that. Anyway, I should probably get on with it. Headphones. That's what I was going over here for. Well, actually, I need to go over here, then up here. Listen to some music while I do it. Whoever misses. Anyways. For now, goodbye. I'll see you later. I'm so glad I'm inside today. You see what it's like out there? Look at it. And get soaked. Camera's even got wet. Phone's got wet. Look, I'm wet. Can't see. Oh well. I am not going outside today. I didn't plan to, but now I'm definitely not. It's so fluffy! I've finished my ironing. And now I'm sitting down to watch the Liverpool West Ham game. Wonderful match, hopefully. Let's see how it goes. I love a bit of counter-attacking football, and when I play FIFA I like getting hold of fast players, and if I show a replay, it's you take a corner and you break. Yes, here we go. It's a brilliant touch off by Salah there to Mane, and then he holds it just long enough to draw Cresswell in, and that's a good finish from Salah. He put it so close to heart there. It's been a rubbish game so far, and because of that I got on board and started running a bath. It's been all hot. All put some cold in. Anyway, I'm going to bid you bye now. It'll be about 5 maybe 6 minute video. Alright, see you later, kids.